In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Drive download. If you need to share a file so people can look at it but not take it with them, this is the setting you want. It hides the download, print, and copy options for people who only have permission to view or comment. It works with PDFs as well as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser and locating the file you want to protect. Right-click the file and choose Share. When the sharing window opens, look to the top right corner for the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. In the Settings panel, find the checkbox that reads, Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print, and copy. Clear that checkbox, then click Done to save your changes. That's all it takes. From now on, anyone who opens the file with viewer or commenter access can read it on screen, but they won't see options to download the file, print it, or copy its contents. This restriction is controlled by the owner of the file, so you need to be signed in to the owning account to turn it on or off. Also remember that editors are not affected by this setting. If someone has edit access, they can still export or download, so when you share, be sure to give viewer or commenter access if your goal is to limit downloading. There are a few important limitations to understand. This feature can deter copying, but it can't completely prevent it. People can still take screenshots or record their screens, and external tools may capture what's displayed. Google notes that you can limit download, copy, and print for viewers and commenters, but you can't fully stop sharing by other means. Think of this as protection that raises the barrier, not a guarantee of total security. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. After changing the setting, you can reopen the share window anytime to confirm the box remains unchecked. If you're sharing a link broadly, double-check that link access is set to viewer, not editor, to keep the restriction effective. And that's it. You've successfully disabled download, print, and copy for viewers and commenters on your Google Drive file, giving you more control over how your content is accessed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.